We are going to learn unit number 6 in this lecture: files, exceptions, modules, and regular expressions. In this, we are going to learn file handling, error handling, imports, packages, and re. So let's start with roadmap, what this unit covers. First one is file handling. In this, we will learn lesson 1, file handling, file paths. Lesson 2 will be file handling operations. Lesson 2 is this one. Lesson 3 is errors and exceptions. Lesson 4 will be error handling. Lesson 5 will be handling an exception. Lesson 6 will be raising an exception. Lesson 7 will be import statement. Lesson 8 will be from import statement. Lesson 9 will be using Python packages. Lesson 10 will be regular expressions. So let's start with file handling. In this we have file paths operations. Open path comma mod is how Python opens a file for reading or writing. Common modes are for read and W for writes, overrides, A for append and B for binary. They are short form of writing. File handling paths can be relative to the current folder or absolute. os.path and pathlib build file paths that work across operating systems. Always close a file or better use a context manager. Next lesson, we will learn example. Import OS. We will start with importing an OS path equal to os.path.join data notes.text print path, and it will print all the data. Print os.path.exist path. Next, you will do practice these coding questions from your home. First question is build a path to reports slash sound26 slash summary.txt using os.path.join. Second question is check whether a file exists before opening it using os.path.exist. Third is use pathlib.path to build the same path and print its parent directory. Next, we are going to learn in file handling operations. We will start with write lines, send text into an open file. Read comma, read line and read lines pull text back out with open path as F closes the file automatically even after an error. Fourth one is iterating directly over a file object builds it one line at a time. Fifth one is pass encoding equal to UTF-8 for reliable text handling across platforms. Next we have our code example. Let's start with open notes.txt means text, comma, in double quote W as f.write line 1 slash n used for writing to another line. Next line means goes to next line f.write line 2 with open notes.txt, comma r as f print f.read with open notes.txt, comma r as f. For line in f, print line.strip. It will get output as line 1, line 2. Now, next we have practice coding questions. You will do from your home. Append a new line to an existing file without erasing its content. Second one is read a file and count how many lines it contains. Third one is use read lines to load a file into a list, then print only lines with a keyword. Next we have section 2, that is errors and exceptions. Lesson 3 will be errors and exceptions. Lesson 4 will be error handling. Lesson 5 will be handling an exception. Lesson 6 will be raising an exception.